Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter counting and number patterns. And the lessons we're going to start with is select even or odd numbers, even or odd numbers on number lines, which even or odd number comes before or after, right? So let's just do a quick review about the even and odd numbers. We have done this lesson last week. So what do you know about even or odd numbers? Even numbers are the numbers that can be completely divided by 2, right? And odd numbers are the numbers that cannot be divided by 2, right? We've done even and odd number in detail in last session. So even numbers are the numbers that can be completely divided by 2. And odd numbers are the numbers that cannot be divided by 2, right? So, so 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are the even numbers, right? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, they are the even numbers, right? And also if you have more than one digit number, for example 298, you have to look for the ones digit. If the ones digit is divisible by 2, that means the number is divisible by 2, right? You have 8 here, 8 is divisible by 2, so 298 is an even number, right? For example, you have 353, 3 is not even, 3 is an odd number, right? That means 353 is an odd number, right? Okay, so that is a just review about the even and odd numbers. We're going to start with the lesson, that is, let me just see the lesson name. The lesson name is select even or odd numbers. So what you have to do, you are given the questions, you have to select the even and odd number from the questions, right? So let's just start with an example. Okay, select even or odd numbers. Let's just start with the examples. So you are given numbers, you have to select which of the numbers are even and which of the numbers are odd, right? For example, you are given four numbers, you have to select the even numbers, right? The given numbers are 53, 62, 93, 24. You have to select the two even numbers. With which two numbers are even numbers? So which is the correct option? You have to select the one that are even numbers. Which two numbers are even? Even numbers are the ones that are divisible by 2. So you have to see their ones digit. Here you have 3, right? 3 is not an even number. 3 is an odd number. So this is not even. 62 is an even number. 93 is again, you have 3 here. 93 is an odd number and 24 is an even number. So 62 and 24 are the even numbers, right? Okay, let's just do another example. You have, You have to select the odd numbers. Which two numbers are odd? If you already know the answers, you can write down the answers in the chat box. Which two numbers are odd? Odd numbers are the ones that cannot be divisible by 2, right? Just look at 43. 3 is an odd number, right? That means 43 is an odd number, right? 24 is an even, 52 is an even number, and 19 is an odd number, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. So here I'm on A plus. Let's just go to the grade 2 math and let's do practice questions from here, right? Here is grade 2. We're working on chapter 1, that is counting and number patterns. The lesson is select the even and odd numbers, right? Okay, here it is. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Which of the following pair of numbers are even? So you have to select a pair. Pair means both the numbers, right? Both the numbers must be even. Which is the correct option? Just look at the first option. 2, 3. 2 even, 3 odd. 6 is even and 8 is even. So that would be the correct option because both of them are even, right? 3 and 9, they both odd. 6 and 9. 6 is even, 9 is odd. The correct option is 6 and 8, right? They both are even. So the correct option is 6 and 8, right? Okay, which following pair of numbers are even? So which two numbers are even? Which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, 4 and 8, option number 1 is the correct option. Which of the following pair of numbers are odd? So which is the correct option? Which pair is odd? Very good. That would be the 7 and 9. The second one is the pair of odd numbers. Which of the following pair of numbers are even? Which is the correct option? Which two numbers are even? Okay, let's just see the number 23 and 34. 3 is odd and 34 is even, right? 12 and 89. 12 is even, but 89 is odd. So the correct option is 46 and 80 because they both are even numbers, right? So the correct option is 46 and 80. Which of the following pair of numbers are odd? So which is the correct option? Which two numbers are odd? The correct option is odd numbers. Both of them are odd. 7 is odd, 4 is even. 4 is even, 5 is odd. 5 and 1 is the correct option, right? Because they both are odd. 5 and 1 is the correct option. Which of the following numbers are odd? So you're given two of the numbers, you have to see which of the pair are odd, which is the correct option. Which two numbers are odd? The correct option is, very good, that would be the last one. 17 and 21 are odd numbers. Okay, which of the following pair of numbers are even? Which is the correct option? Which two numbers are even? Option number one is the correct option, right? 4 and 10, they both are even. So option number one is the correct option. Which of the following pair of numbers are odd? Which is the correct option? Which two numbers are odd? The odd numbers are, yes, very good. That would be 1 and 7. They both are odd. Which of the following numbers are even? Which is the correct option? Which two numbers are even? So the even numbers are, yes, that is option number one. 4 and 10 are even. Option one is the correct option, right? Which of the following pair of numbers are odd? You have to select the pair that are odd. Both the numbers must be odd. Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 4 and 6, right? They both, no, they both are even. You have to select the one that are odd. So which is the correct option? Odd. Odd 1 and 9 are odd, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So let's just start with the next lesson, and I think the next one is even numbers on the number line. So we already know what are the number lines, right? Because I think on the same lesson, yes, we have done with number lines in the same chapter, right? So even or odd numbers on the number line. So on the number line, we're going to see on the number line, how do you select the even and odd number? For example, you are given a number line. Let's just start with an example. Okay. So on the number line, you are given 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18, right? We are given with a number line. You have to select all the even numbers on the number line. So which numbers are even on the number line? You already know about even and odd numbers, right? You have to select the one that are even. 12 is even, 14 is even, 16 is even, and 18 is even. So that means on the number line, you are given four of the even numbers, right? Let's just do another example. You are given an even, given a number line that is 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. You have to select the odd numbers on the number line. So which numbers are odd? They are 35, 37, and 39, right? So the odd numbers are 35, 37, and 39. So basic thing is even an odd number, right? And you already know the number line. So you have to select the even and odd numbers on the number line, right? Okay, the next lesson is which even or odd number comes before or after? Okay, so for example, you are given a sequence, right? They are 4, 6, 8, and so on. You have to see which is the next even number in the sequence. So which is the correct option? 4, 6, 8 are the even number. The next number even in the sequence is 10, and then you have 12, right? So they are 10 and 12. Okay. The next one is, for example, you are given 1, 3, sorry, 1, 3, 5, and 7. You have to see which like they are odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7 are odd. So which is the next number in the sequence? So right after 7, the next odd number is, very good, that would be 9. So here you have 9, right? Okay, for example, you have, which is the number before 3? You can see they are the odd numbers, right? 5, 7, and 9 are odd. So you have to find the odd number that is before 5. So which number is odd? Very good, that would be 3. So the correct option is 3, right? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, here is the lesson, that is even or odd numbers on the number line. First, let's just do the practice questions from this lesson. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, select the even numbers on the number line. So you are given a number line. Which numbers are even on the number line? Numbers are that can be divisible by 2. So which is the correct option? Yes, even numbers are the one that are divisible by 2. So the correct option is option number 2. 10, 12, 14, and 16, they all are even, right? That would be the second option. Okay, select the odd numbers on the number line. So which numbers are odd? Yes, the correct option is odd numbers are the ones that cannot be divisible by 2. So they are 3, 5, and 7, right? That would be option number 3 is the correct option. 3, 5, and 7 are the odd numbers. Select the even numbers on the number line. So which numbers are even? So which numbers are even? Yes, they are 10, 12, and 14, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. 10, 12, and 14, right? Select the odd numbers on the number line. So which is the odd number? Very good. The correct option is, yes, the second one. 13, 15, 17, and 19, option number is the correct option, right? Which is the correct option? What are the odd numbers? Select the odd numbers on the number line. So the odd numbers are, yes, very good. They are 3, 5, 7, and 9. That would be the last option is the correct option. Okay, select the even numbers on the number line. So which is the correct option? Which numbers are even on the number line? So the even numbers are, yes, they are 6, 8, 10, and 12, right? The correct option is the second one, 6, 8, 10, 12. Select the odd numbers on the number line. Which numbers are odd? The correct option is odd numbers are 8, 10, 12, and 14. The correct option is 8, 10, 12, and 14. Odd, not even, right? So they are 9, 11, and 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Select the odd numbers on the number line. So which numbers are odd? The odd numbers are 5, 7, and 9. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Select the even numbers on the number line. So which numbers are even? Even numbers are the one that can be divisible by 2, right? So they are, very good, 2, 4, and 6. The last option is the correct one. Select the even numbers on the number line. So which numbers are even here? Even numbers are the one that can be divisible by 2. So they are 6, 8, and is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just start with the next one. We have already done with the concept. You have to just do the practice questions, right? The lesson is, which even or odd number comes before or after, right? So you are given the sequence. You have to see in the sequence, either you are missing a number, you have to see which is the next one or which is the previous one, before one, right? Let's just start with the test question. Which even number comes next? 0 to 4. Which is the number? You can see all the numbers are even. 0 to 4, they are even, right? So which is the next number after 4? It is, that would be 6, right? That means you have to go move by two numbers, right? So 0 to 4, that would mean the next one is 6. The correct option is 6. Which odd numbers come before? So there you are given the odd numbers 3, 5, and 7. So which is the odd number before 3? Yes, that would be 1. The correct option is 1. Very good. Which odd numbers comes before? So which is the correct option? Which is the odd number before 5? Yes, the correct option is 3. The odd number before 5 is 3. Which even number comes next? So which is the next even number after 8? Yes, that would be 10. So the correct option is 10. Which odd number comes next? So which is the correct option? Yes, the next one is 9. It is. The next one is 9. Which even number comes before? So which is the even number before 6? Yes, the correct option is 4, right? That would be 4. Which odd numbers comes next? Which is the correct option? Very good. That would be 7. Which even number comes before? So which is the correct option? So before 2 it is. Select the even number that comes before. So which is the even number that comes before 2? Yes, that would be 0. The correct option is 0. Which even number comes next? So which is the number right after 4? Which even number comes next? Which is the number after 6? Yes, that would be 8, right? Which even number comes before? Before 4, which is the even number? Before it is 2, right? The correct option is 2. Okay, we're done with the lesson. You can complete the lesson yourself later today, right? So we were working on grade 2 math. The lesson we're working on the chapter counting and number patterns. The lesson we're working on is select even or odd numbers on number lines, and which even or odd numbers come before or after, right? So you have to complete all the practice questions of the lessons. Any questions you can please ask. You have to complete all the practice questions before the next session. That's your homework, right? So if you have any questions, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. I am waiting for the questions from your side. Please ask questions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.